I've got to get all this done before Sky gets here tomorrow. We're putting epoxy flooring. We've got to replace all these floorboards this week. I have to get this all cleaned. I've got to get the ceiling down. I've got to get all the rat poop and everything out of here, sanitize this place, and make sure that we are ready for when Skyler gets here to put in these floorboards. And we have another problem. This house is the gift that just keeps on giving, I swear. This is a pretty big issue. I was going to say I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to fix any of this. So, I guess add it to the list. We'll figure it out. I know this house doesn't look like much, but to us, it's everything. We're basically homeless right now. So until this is done, we don't really have much. I wasn't able to do it without my son. Where's the scorpion?
Up there.
Holy shit, there is a scorpion. What do you want me to do? You want me to kill it? Buddy, it's dead. Currently, we stay with family in a tiny apartment. We have invested everything we have into this. The land is paid off, the house is paid off. So once it's done, we are free. But until then, we don't have a home.
You have some in your hair. That right here. Like, watch. It's on your head.
This place was a disaster, so to be this close to having it clean just feels amazing.
We got the ceiling knocked out. We were going to use the blower, but then the battery died. But look at this difference.